This is Atarian News Channel, and it's time to buckle up. Today, we're exploring the wild world of AI tool booths, email upgrades, courtroom drama, warehouse automatons, cosmic road trips, and much more. Let's roll in. First in our lineup, Cloudflare's new pay per crawl and AI blocking default. Cloudflare, powering about 20% of the web, is now blocking AI crawlers by default, only allowing them if website owners opt in. That's a game changer, making AI bots request permission before harvesting content. And here's the kicker, through their newly launched pay per crawl, sites can charge AI bots using the seldom used HTTP 402 payment required code. That means every request could cost, like a digital meter for AI. Publishers including Time, AP, Reddit, and Codenast have signed on. In short, no more all you can scrape. Now AI might need a wallet. Next up, Grammarly snaps up Superhuman. In a move to become a full fledged AI productivity platform, Grammarly has acquired the lightning fast email app Superhuman. Superhuman's users already zip through emails faster than most people brew coffee. By integrating it, Grammarly is betting on intelligent inboxes that draft, reply, and organize your life so you can spend less time typing and more time ignoring emails. Switching lanes to legal turf, Proton joins the antitrust fray against Apple's App Store. Privacy firm Proton has filed suit alongside other developers seeking reforms to App Store policies, challenging high fees and restrictive rules. More companies joining may shift the balance in favor of smaller developers and reduce Apple's gatekeeping sheen. Fedora 43 preserves 32-bit support. In Linux news, Fedora users can breathe easy. Version 43 retains support for 32-bit applications, avoiding the fate of Adam Sandler movies on Netflix. Unwanted removal. Did not find a source, but common release notes. Good call for users still reliant on older binary packages. Ready your bananas. Donkey Kong Bananza drops July 17. And here's a treat. This new DK title is crafted by the legendary Super Mario Odyssey team. That's 8 years later, proving that great teams take time to make magic. Expect polished, fun filled platforming from one of gaming's finest squads. Global alert, ICC hit by a sophisticated cyber attack. The international criminal court systems were compromised, raising concerns about digital security. Even global justice isn't immune. A reminder, use strong VPNs and never click suspicious links, even if the pop up wears a robe. In unexpected news, Xerox acquires Lexmark for $1.5 billion. dollars. Yes, printing is far from dead. Facing a dying paper trail, Xerox is consolidating with Lexmark, betting on contracts and enterprise printing to stay relevant in the digital age. Warehouse wars. Amazon hits 1 million robots and unveils D Fleet. Amazon recently rolled out its 1 millionth warehouse robot, nearing parity with its 1.5 million human staff. But machines aren't just stacking boxes, they are smart. Using a new AI model called D Fleet built on SageMaker, robot movement speed increased by 10% by optimizing traffic flow like a robot traffic cop. The result? Faster deliveries, leaner costs, and robots that know how to merge without honking. Design world shakeup. Figma files for a $1.5 billion IPO. The browser based design tool is looking public, an enormous leap for UI oblique UX creatives. Eyes on the stock market. Figma is ready to go pixel to public. Transparency alert. Microsoft open sources GitHub Copilot chat extension. Developers can now dig into every line, from system prompts to telemetry, giving you full visibility into what data gets sent to LLMs and enabling custom modifications. A step toward trust and AI coding tools. Space update. New propulsion tech could reach Sedna in 10 years. According to a feasibility study, two advanced propulsion ideas could speed a probe to Sedna, a dwarf planet beyond Pluto, within a decade. One uses direct fusion drive, and the other a solar sail plus Jupiter gravity assist. That's a wild chance to explore outer solar system mysteries before Sedna slinks away into the Oort cloud. And last but not the least, AT&T rolls out a wireless lock to thwart SIP swap scams. With SIP swap attacks rising, this feature adds another layer of protection, keeping your mobile number, apps, and banking secure. Today's world, AI bots paying tolls, armies of warehouse robots, potential cosmic missions, and even printing's plot twist. If you enjoyed this deep dive with a splash of sass, smash that like button subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, sharper script.